Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Cutex Ultra Powerful Nail Polish Remover. It can be used for gel, glitter, or dark nail colors. It comes in a 200 ml bottle. Recently I've been experimenting with my nail a bit and trying new nail art, and I found that my old nail polish remover from Ulta Beauty wasn't doing a good job. The color would remain in my nail even though I used the nail polish remover multiple times. And then I started looking and I found this in Amazon, and it has great ratings. It has a 4.5 star ratings, and it's only $3.97, so US dollars, and it's eligible for prime shipping, so I got it in 2 days, so it was good timing. Please comment below if you have any nail polish remover favorites that I should try. I've been looking for a good one for a long time, and I'm just experimenting my way through some of them. So here I'm just trying to use a cotton pad with the remover, and I just wrapped it around my finger, and I used some pressure to wipe the color off instead of using single strokes to slowly wipe them off. I found that that's easier for me, so all the color comes off at the same time. The art that I had on had some dark nail polish and some stones, so I really wanted to test how powerful this was with the stones. As I went through all my nails, it was fairly easy. I struggled a bit with my thumb. I wrapped it around my thumb for some time, and I did struggle a bit there. I had 3 stones on there, and I was able to take off 2 pretty easy, but the one in the middle was just stuck on there pretty good, and it took some more yanking and pressure to get it all out. Just some pros and cons about this. One of the pros is the price. It's pretty cheap for a 200 ml bottle. And the second one is that power. I find it to be pretty powerful. And the third one is the smell. I don't like generally nail polish removers that have a very strong smell, and I don't like that smell. So this one has a more lightweight experience. It's more fresh. It's more like a cucumber fragrance. The only con I can think about was that it has 98% acetone, and I've been reading that acetone's pretty bad for your nails, especially for me since I'm trying to grow out my nails. So I'm still looking for something that has less percentage of acetone, but it still does a good job. So if you guys have any recommendations for me, please comment them below. I finally took off all the nail polish and the stones from my thumb, and I'm just using the last bit that I have in my cotton pad just to go over all my nails to make sure that I removed anything that's stuck on there. And here's the final product. Voila! A clean set of hands with no nail polish or any color stains. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye!